Believe it or not, with the right education, it's going to be perfectly easy to make whatever it is you actually want to make, whether it be the Forex market or the crypto market by way of trading, whether that's day trading or swing trading. I believe that you can actually make whatever set goal daily it is that you actually want to make. Now, in today's actual video, we're going to be speaking about how you, yes, you, can make $200 per day trading in the markets. And the reason why we came up with that number, $200 per day, is because 60% of Americans, if not more, typically earn around $200 per day where they're actually working. It kind of sums up if you're getting an hourly wage to about, what's that, $20 an hour, depending on how many hours you work, maybe $21. I think that's pretty much, maybe if you work at the Amazon warehouse, you're getting $21, $22 an hour. So what perfect way to explain how you can make that same kind of income, maybe just even a tad bit more, by trading the same way I do in the Forex and crypto market. So that's what we're going to be explaining, how much money you need, what it actually takes. Right after this intro, I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, so you guys want to make $200 per day trading the market. And whether it's the crypto market, stocks, Forex, whatever the case may be, it's very possible that you can do it. There's a lot of people out there in the world that do it every single day. I'm actually one of them. I don't really want to make this video too much into TA or anything like that. I just want to give you guys my opinion on how you, everyone out there watching this video, will be able to make $200 in whatever market they're actually in. Now, as opposed to giving you guys lessons, I want to send a message out there. You guys can go ahead and get subscribed to the channel and check out all the other videos where I personally speak about my trading strategies, the things that I use and everything like that. What I solely want to focus on in this video is money-wise, the trades and everything that you need to be able to make $200 a day in the market. Before we actually jump into the charts and get into anything like that, first of all, I think $200 for everyday people in North America, United States of America, whatever the case may be, $200 a day is a decent amount for you to actually make. Typically, I would say 60% of America, when they actually go to work, they're making on average $200 a day. So I 100% think that it is a achievable goal. Definitely 100%. Now, the first issue that comes into play is that it takes money to make money. So if you have a goal that you're going to make $200 a day under proper risk management, which I have a video on the channel about that, you're really not going to be using more than 2 to 3, 5% max. And for newbie traders and people that don't really have a lot of money in their accounts, I would definitely recommend you stay somewhere around 2 to 3%. There might be some people that actually tell you use less in a trade. Currently on the screen, we can jump into the screen a little bit. We have the Forex market, the euro versus the dollar. Now, I'm just going to take an example in the market using the risk to reward ratio. And you guys can see right here, we have a very nice up move. So now if we go ahead and we take a look at this for an example, if we took a long position, let's say we were a tad bit late and we were able to get in the market right here, and we actually rolled this baby up exactly to where the market stalled out, and we had our stop loss just a tad bit under. Let's say we move this position not as perfect, not exactly at the top, but well, let's put it there. We have here a setup of a 3-to-1. So with this scenario, we need to actually figure out how much money do we need to have inside of our trading account using only, let's say hypothetically, we up it to 5%. Let's say you're a little bit on the risky side and we do 5%. How much money do we actually need to have in the account to be able, in an all-perfect scenario, to make $200 a day? And I think also there's another piece to it where you need to dig deep into yourself and figure out what type of trader you're going to be in this whole scenario. You're going to be a swing trader, which it might be different than this example we're showing. This will be for more of our day traders out there. But are you looking to actually be a day trader? Do you have the time for it? Are you willing to take 2 to 3 trades a day? Because to be honest with you, especially if you're a newbie, we really don't want you to take more than that. But let's say you're going the day trading route. Most of you I know do want to do that. And honestly, if you're a newbie coming in and you don't have much capital, to be quite honest with you guys, the day trading aspect will actually be a whole lot better. So this setup is actually on the hour chart in Forex on the euro dollar. This will be one of your setups potentially for the day. So now with this 3-to-1, let's hypothetically say you're taking 3 trades a day. That's in an all-perfect world. Let's say you actually only get 2 and you're trying to get $200 a day. We would want this one single trade to be able to profit us $100, and then we'll be 50% of the way there. We need one more setup to go ahead and get the other 50%. If you were on the risky side and you did 5% on this trade, you would actually need, at least surprisingly, only a $1,000 account, because if you did 5% inside of this trade on a $1,000 account, that would be $50 inside of the trade. On a 3-to-1, you would actually get $150, so you would actually be a little bit over. And I give this example if you're on the risky side. If you actually stuck to very good risk management and only did, let's say, 2.5%, that's $25 in the trade as opposed to the 50 at 5%, and now you made $75 off this setup. So you can definitely achieve this with a small account, $1,000, $2,000. It's really all about having the education and being able to put the time in to find these setups, execute them well, and you're all set and you're ready to go. Now also keep in mind, and I don't think I would actually be a YouTuber educational wise doing my job if I also didn't mention everything we just said in all actuality is perfect world setups. If there's any trader out there that ever told you that he doesn't take losses, I'll tell you he's a complete lie. Due to the fact that there is no time ever in the market where you're going to be 100% right. So with that being said, there's going to be a win-loss rate because you're going to take losses. And if you're looking to be in that range where you're always getting $200 per day profit, it wouldn't be right for me to give you that all perfect example without telling you that you're going to also take some losses. And with that being said, it doesn't change you from pursuing your $200 a day. You just need to factor in more profits to be able to cover those losing trades when they do actually happen. And like I said, one of the best ways to be able to do that, get yourself the necessary plan and get yourself the necessary education. Definitely get subscribed to the channel and follow all of the different videos that we have. And you guys put it all together and you'll be definitely one step closer to becoming the great profitable trader, making $200 a day that you actually can. So I definitely wanted to make this video nice and short for you guys. Do give me a favor and give this video a thumbs up and get subscribed to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.